This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a clean, level workspace and putting on gloves and a respirator. Safety first. Measure resin and hardener to the manufacturer ratio. Most are 2, 1 by volume, because correct stoichiometry prevents tacky cures. Once mixed, stir slowly for 3–5 minutes, scraping sides and bottom to avoid unmixed pockets that cause soft spots. Make small test pours into a disposable cup to check heat buildup. Too hot means you mixed too fast or too much at once. You keep control by mixing slowly and folding rather than whipping. That reduces entrained air. Once mixed, let the resin sit for several minutes to allow large bubbles to rise, then degas with a vacuum chamber or pass a heat gun briefly to pop surface bubbles. Why? Trapped air ruins clarity and strength. Pour in stages. A thin seal coat first to lock in dust, then build thicker fills after the seal becomes tacky. This prevents voids and excessive exotherm during cure. You must let the piece cure undisturbed for the product's recommended time, usually 24 to 72 hours, and consider a post-cure at moderate heat to reach full hardness. Once cured, wet sand from 400 up to 2000 grit and polish or top coat for optical clarity. If the surface remains tacky, that signals an incorrect mix ratio or low temperature. To fix, sand the tacky layer away and apply a correctly mixed thin recoat, or heat gently to accelerate any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.